The Path of Love and Peace by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 63. Fortunately for man, he is never left without help when it is needed. However difficult the circumstances, however great and grave the dangers which he faces, of one thing he can be sure: he will never be abandoned by his elder brothers. Time after time in men's long history, when all seemed lost and the future of man perilously unsure, our succor has been forthcoming and the forward path of men restored once more. It is today, at this tumultuous time, when men stand in a maelstrom of warring forces, unsure of the next step, and all but overwhelmed by the enormity of the task ahead. Emerging from our ancient retreats, we redirect our thoughts and steps to aid our struggling brothers, to show by example that all is not lost, that another and better way exists for men to organize their lives, that unity and happiness come from justice and freedom, that sharing is the natural action of unity and the simple answer to all men's woes. Men must desire the gift of wisdom we have to give. The great law does not allow its imposition. Thus do men require to look clearly at the dangers which beset them, and so make their decision and choice. That men need guidance is beyond dispute, though many would deny that this is so or possible to find. And this guidance will Maitreya himself offer to men for their consideration and wise counsel. Responding, men must see themselves as one. The old barriers to freedom and justice must be discarded. All must share in the earth's bounty. All must learn the language of trust. Planet Earth, our home, must be nursed back to health, its air, soil, and waters purified, made safe again for man. These are the urgent requirements for the stabilization of the planet and the health of its inhabitants. Once adopted, there will be no return to the disorder of the past. Man will part company with poverty and war, exploitation and cruelty, corruption and injustice. Men will emulate their elder brothers and walk the path of love and peace. See this time as the time of decision. All rests on man's response to Maitreya's counsel. We, your elder brothers, are neither anxious nor complacent. We know the enormous task that faces both Maitreya and men. We also know how to read the signs of life and are not afraid. Be you who read this not afraid, but spread abroad the fact that the restoration of earth is at hand, that the iniquities of the past are fading, and with them the old ways of governance. A new guidance is here to show the way for men, an ancient but ever new guidance to take men to the mountaintop.